This is a super rainstorm. I'm sitting in my truck and I can't get out because the weather is so bad. I mean, it looks like a blizzard out there. How the rain is coming down. I mean, it's unbelievable. Super rainstorm. And I'm in Lansing, Michigan. And I can't get out of my semi because it looks like a blizzard out there. It's raining that hard. Something told me I should have put the Rain X on today. I mean, look at those trucks. I mean, it's just bombarding it with the rain. This is the wet Hungarian polar bear signing off. Like, subscribe, and yep, one of them days, or nights in this case.